The P0420 code indicates that your vehicle's catalytic converter on bank 1 is not operating at the required efficiency. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. The engine control module detects that the converter isn't effectively reducing harmful emissions like hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides. A catalytic converter contains a honeycomb structure coated with precious metal catalysts like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These catalysts facilitate chemical reactions that convert harmful exhaust pollutants into less harmful substances. Upstream and downstream oxygen sensors monitor exhaust gases before and after the converter. The upstream sensor helps optimize the fuel mixture for the engine. The downstream sensor checks the converter's efficiency by monitoring post-converter exhaust. A properly functioning catalytic converter will show little fluctuation on the downstream sensor, indicating effective pollutant reduction. The P0420 code often stems from direct catalytic converter failure. The converter can overheat due to engine misfires, excessively rich fuel mixtures, or contamination from engine oil leaking into the exhaust system. This damage leads to reduced efficiency in converting harmful gases. Faulty oxygen sensors are another common trigger. The upstream sensor monitors pre-converter exhaust oxygen, while the downstream checks post-converter efficiency. If either sensor provides inaccurate readings, the ECM may falsely detect low converter efficiency. Exhaust system problems can also cause P020. Leaks in pipes, damaged components, or clogs prevent proper gas flow through the catalytic converter, reducing its ability to convert emissions efficiently. Even a clogged air filter can contribute to P0420. A dirty filter restricts air intake, leading to improper fuel mixtures that can cause the catalytic converter to work harder or overheat, reducing its efficiency. Sometimes, a simple software reset by clearing the code and test driving the vehicle can resolve temporary issues. Cleaning the mass airflow sensor can also help, as secondary issues can mimic converter problems. Catalytic converter additives can extend the life of the converter, especially in fleet applications. Online tutorials and AI-assisted apps are increasing the feasibility of DIY repairs. Proactive maintenance is essential to prevent P0420 catalytic converter issues. Regular checks can catch problems before they cause expensive damage. Regularly inspect and replace air filters. Clogged filters can cause improper air-fuel ratios that stress the catalytic converter. Address engine misfires immediately. Misfires can overheat the converter and cause permanent damage to the catalyst. Fix oil leaks as soon as they appear. Oil entering the exhaust can coat and ruin the catalytic converter. Ensure the fuel mixture is correct. Rich mixtures can overheat the converter, while lean mixtures reduce efficiency. Remember, P0420 is often just a symptom of another issue. Always check oxygen sensors first to avoid unnecessary and expensive converter replacements. The rise of hybrid and electric vehicles is significantly reducing P0420 issues, as these vehicles lack traditional exhaust systems that require catalytic converters. This shift to electric vehicles is transforming automotive diagnostics. The diagram shows the components of an electric vehicle powertrain, highlighting how EVs operate without exhaust systems. Future innovations in catalytic converter technology, such as nanotechnology for improved durability, may further decrease P0420 incidents in remaining ICE models. However, stricter emission standards may cause more P0420 codes to appear in older vehicles that don't meet new requirements. Long-term expertise in P0420 will shift towards electric diagnostic issues, like battery management system errors, as traditional ICE vehicles become less common.